The teacher education stream and the courses that I've been taking, really unlike anything else I've ever taken before. The setting is really different. The style of learning is a lot different. It's not very much note focused, but more experiential focused and more story-based focused. I mean, I don't think I'll ever have a class that's quite like the classes that I have in teacher education stream.
So far, the placements have been my favorites, but I've also really enjoyed the assignments. There are different assignments that let me dive deep into what I think I'm going to be like as an educator, what I want to be as an educator. I got to research past educators and really learn about them and their theories and think of how I agree or disagree with their theories and how I might implement them into my ways of teaching.
I believe that the teacher is not necessarily the one to give and feed all the information, but to give the student the best means to learn for themselves. I'm looking to work in a classroom setting, but education doesn't stop once the bell rings.
But I want to be a teacher because I want to help create and shape the minds of those who are coming after me, like the future doctors, other teachers, and I want to have an impact on the world in some kind of way.